And welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you what I got in my Boxycharm for the month of October. Boxycharm is a monthly makeup subscription that gives you 4 to 5 full-size makeup products. So let's get into this. If you're wanting to sign up, I do have a referral code in the description box down below that you're more than welcome to use. So let's take a look. All right. So of course, it always comes with its little flyer, lets you know the theme and the items and the price point for it. All right, okay. So this box looks a little beat up, but I'm sure the product inside is fine, yeah. And this is from It Cosmetics. It is their Elastic Stretch Volumizing Mascara. There's that. That one runs for $24. All right, next I have Kat Von D, and this is Everlasting Liquid Lipstick, and this is in Lolita. And I remember when this color was really popular. I want to say it's when Kylie did that color trend and everybody loved it, and I know this was like a dupe for it, so I'm excited about that one. It's a pretty color. And this one runs for $20. Next we have a Black Bamboo Charcoal Peel Off Mask, and this is a lace and peel, and this runs for $30. Next we have Green Clean, and this is a makeup melt away cleansing balm from Pharmacy. Okay, and this guy runs for $22. And the last item is a palette, and this is from Pure. So let's open this up. All right, looks like that. The packaging is really pretty. And it's called Midnight Masquerade, and it's a face palette. And, all right. So we have these 4 colors. I know my lighting. And then we have these 6 colors. Those are pretty. And this palette runs for $38. So the monthly subscription is for $21, which is the price of the Kat Von D or the cleansing balm. So, and then you're pretty much getting everything else for free, which I think is a wonderful deal, especially if you love makeup. So yeah, that is everything I got in my box. Let me know if you guys got the same stuff or different stuff. I would like to know. And thank you for watching. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe, and I hope you guys have a wonderful week.